Chery's safety laboratory has been revealed. Every new vehicle is subjected to 100 crashes, pushing the industry's boundaries. Chery, a leading domestic automaker, is truly investing in safety. Media outlets recently announced that Chery has invested over 100 million yuan to establish a world-class safety laboratory. 4 functional test chambers cover a wide range of test scenarios, including vehicle crash tests, simulated crash tests, and pedestrian protection tests. Every new vehicle is subjected to 80 to 100 severe crashes before launch, and the cost of these crash tests exceeded 50 million yuan last year alone. The high-end Exeed has taken safety performance to new heights. From the Lanyue Peak rollover test, to the knife mountain test of a Yaoguang C-DM chassis, and the 31.9-meter drop test of the Exeed ET, each test has pushed the industry's safety boundaries. Internet users exclaimed, "This isn't an accident, it's just exacerbating consumer concerns." Chery currently has 47 technical committees and over 100 key laboratories, creating a comprehensive R&D system from components to complete vehicles. This reckless investment has earned many models 5-star crash tests by the China Insurance Research Institute, Chery. Chery truly has a say in the safety ceiling of Chinese-made vehicles, an industry official commented. With such expensive safety tests, some consumers believe the cost will eventually be passed on to the vehicle owner, but more internet users say, safety is priceless and always better than cutting corners. Amidst the wave of new energy and smart technologies, safety remains a fundamental principle of the automotive industry. Chery's Crash Maniac model could teach new brands obsessed with refrigerators and color TVs a lesson. True high-end development must, above all else, prioritize human life.